guys, welcome back to Care Review Stuff. And this week I want to bring you another oscillating fan that is battery powered, and this one is a desktop fan. Check that out. It's pretty cool. It also has aromatherapy, right? It comes with a couple of little foam pads that you put in the back, right? Use these little foam pads, put up maybe a couple essential oils on there and stick it back here. And then as you have it on your desk, right, turn it on and it works awesome. It's also 360 degrees, right? And then you can turn it over 270 degrees. So pretty cool. It also uses the 18650 batteries, right? It'll still work with one, right? See that? So that's pretty cool. And I use it every day. I like to stay cool, especially when I'm working. I got a lot of stuff, lighting and computers and everything, so this room gets very hot. And this is nice because it's very quiet, it doesn't make a lot of noise, and it also blows a lot of air. It comes with your little USB cable, right? So you can charge it to the batteries. And that's it. This is an awesome little fan. You guys, I really love these fans, and I love that you can add like scents to them, right? Some vanilla, lavender, whatever you want. And the other thing that I like is that the battery seems to last forever. Like, since I've gotten this, I've used it, I'm gonna say about a week now, and I haven't charged it yet. And now on their website it says it lasts like 40 hours, and I'm starting to believe it. So thank you guys for checking out this week's product. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week with another gadget or product. Peace.